English Vocabulary 2023 Section 4. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments. One, mobilize, verb, bring into service, awaken, deploy, encourage. 2. Persuade, verb, induce, convince, influence. 3. Envoy, noun, representative, delegate, agent, spokesperson. 4. Call off, phrasal verb, cancel, abandon, shelve. 5. Boycott, verb, refuse to take part in, reject, avoid, spurn. 6. Rebuff, verb, reject, refuse, decline. 7. Embarrassingly, adverb, awkwardly, disconcertingly. 8. Centering, noun, center on, centric, centering. 9. Forge, verb, proceed, progress, move along, advance firmly. 10. Brutal, adjective, savage, cruel, barbaric. 11. Latent, adjective, hidden, concealed. 12. Discrimination, noun, prejudice, racism, chauvinism. 13. Sting, verb, upset, distress, pain. 14. Afro-phobia, noun, fear, hatred and dislike of the people of Africa. 15. Diplomatic, adjective, consular, political, ambassadorial. 16. Introspection, noun, self, observation, thought, self-analysis. 17. Dehumanizing, adjective, preventing someone from good human qualities. 18. Prejudice, noun, partiality, intolerance, discrimination. 19. Render, verb, provide, offer, present. 20. Splash, noun, article, feature, display. 21. Diplomat, noun, ambassador, envoy, consul. 22. Sedate, adjective, calm, composed, unflappable. 23. Roster, noun, list, schedule, directory. 24. Remit, noun, task, duty, responsibility, ambit. 25. Scaling up, phrasal verb, increase, expand, escalate, boost. 26. Tackle, verb, manage, handle, deal with. Subscribe our channel Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning for more upcoming new videos. Like, subscribe, share and comments.